In this video, we are going to look at Graform's custom shower pan's entryway options. This option is located next to the pan wall section. In this section, we will be briefly covering our barrier entry options, no drip and drip entry, and our barrier-free options, sloping and ramping. All empty cavities in Graform shower pans are infused with high-density, fire-resistant construction foam. As you can see in this example, even under direct flame, the foam still self-extinguishes. The compact high-density foam infused in these entryway cavities and the shower pan's base reinforce the structure of the shower pan, enabling the surface to resist high amounts of direct force. As seen in this no drip entry example, the shower entryway width can be adjusted upon inputting your shower pan specifications. By default, the entry width is 3 inches. Depending on how you want your shower pan built, you can choose between our no drip entry, drip entry, ramping entry, and sloping entry. Barrier-free entries such as ramping and sloping are commonly paired with Graform's award-winning overflow protection design. If you are concerned about selecting a barrier-free entryway because you are worried about water overflow, be sure to review our overflow protection section. Through our website, you can adjust the height of your entry point. The height for a standard barrier entry point is 4 3/4 inches between the top of the entry point and the floor installed on. For a short height, this is 3 inches. Remember to pay attention to how adjusting this also adjusts the height of your pan wall and rim. No drip entry, drip entry, and ramping entry are designed to be installed floor level. Sloping entry is designed to be installed into a recess. These barrier-free entryways can be built to comply with ADA regulations.